Do you want to know how to make money online? So how about I show you a way to make money online from your home, working anywhere really. All you need is a phone or a computer and an internet connection, and you can start making residual income today. Merch by Amazon is one of the easiest ways to start making money online. With Merch by Amazon, all you need is an internet connection. Amazon's going to print, ship, pack, handle customer service and returns for you. And then once a month, they're going to send you a check. So, what is Merch by Amazon? Merch by Amazon is a print on demand marketplace. It's an invitation only platform. You do need to apply. But once you get in, you start creating t shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, pop sockets, and a whole bunch of other print on demand products. And it's only expanding. It's been around since 2015. So we're into 4 years of the Merch by Amazon platform, and it's just getting bigger and better every day. So if you want to learn how to make passive income online, then check out my channel. I talk about Merch by Amazon and I do tips, tutorials on how to research, find niches, design t-shirts, upload them, keyword list, write your titles, bullets, descriptions. This is my last week. In the last 7 days, I have sold 83 products for a total of $162.33 in royalties. There isn't a guarantee that you're going to make money. You're going to need to come up with original designs. You're going to need to do keyword research. It's not passive income. What it is you are no longer trading your time for dollars. You are trading your time for creating value for a customer by creating something that they're looking. All time, I have sold 3,512 products. And this has earned me $8,456 in my first 14 months. My first month starting on the platform, I sold 85 products. December last year, I sold 341 products and earned $1,276.09 by making designs that I either made while using the bathroom, waiting in line at the grocery store. In any of that free time, stop, take a moment, design a shirt, and you can start making some money. So if you want to start making passive income today, give my channel a subscribe, go apply to the Merch by Amazon platform, and you can start building your online income today.